Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new electric standing desk. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. If you're thinking of upgrading your workspace with a standing desk, here's a look at the setup process for this 45.2-inch electric adjustable desk that is Rustic Brown. Right out of the box, the parts are clearly labeled and everything packed neatly. You'll notice the desktop is a sturdy wood grain slab with a cable hole pre-drilled to help with the cable management. That cable hole is a nice bonus. It keeps everything looking clean, especially if you're placing this desk against a wall or a corner. Assembly starts with attaching the two metal legs to support the frame. These legs are thick and solid, designed to reduce shaking when the desk is in motion. The instructions are easy to follow and all the necessary tools are included in the box. I did end up using my electric screwdriver just to make it a little bit quicker. Once the frame is secured, the next step is mounting it to the underside of the desk. Everything lined up well and the pre-drilled holes made this part pretty straightforward. Wiring the control box is also simple. It's all plug and play. You connect the motor cables, the power cord, and the control panels to their clearly marked port. The desk features different memory settings, so once you're done assembling, you're able to save up to 4 different height preferences. That's super convenient if multiple people are using the desk or if you like to switch between sitting and standing throughout the day. From box to fully built, this took under 30 minutes. That includes unboxing, reading the instructions, and putting it all together. Now that it's fully set up, here's what it's like to actually use this from day to day. Desk surface measures 45.2 inches wide by 23.6 inches deep, giving you more than enough room for a dual monitor setup, a laptop, and still plenty of workspace. You'll see that I'm using it here with a laptop, an iPad, and my phone, and it still doesn't feel all cramped. The electric height adjustment is smooth and surprisingly quiet. I like that you can tap one of the 4 saved memory buttons and it automatically moves to your preferred height. No need to hold down the button. The headphone hooks on the side are a nice little touch, and the desk has held up well even after repositioning around the room. Got the phone there, laptop, iPad, all on here. Still got plenty of space for speakers or if you want to do like a desktop, but let's go and actually operate it now. All right, so this is what the desk looks like once it's built. As you can see, I have it at the lowest setting, so you can just put your chair here and you're good to go. But let's say you do want to set it to maybe like a standing position, then all you gotta do is hit this up button right here. See, very quiet. And you don't have to go all the way up. If it's comfortable for you here, then you can do it right here. And then we'll just keep going. And there it is set to the highest setting on here. So like I said, we're still able to operate, but now standing, and same thing with the phone stand. And the other feature that I did want to show is that you can set it to 4 different presets, so you don't have to just keep pushing it up and down. If this is the preset you want to have it, or just a little bit more down, you're able to set those 4 presets, so you can just hit that button and it'll move it exactly to where you need it. And then the other thing that I do want to show is right here on the side of here, there is a USB port that will actually work as a way to charge your devices. So now I can just set this here and it'll work perfectly with your iPad or any other device. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new electric standing desk, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.